In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fonts in CapCut on PC. If you want to give your videos a more unique look and move beyond the default text styles, adding custom fonts is one of the easiest ways to do it. The great thing about CapCut on desktop is that it works with the fonts installed on your computer, so once a font is properly added to Windows, CapCut can use it too. To begin, download the custom font you want to use and open the folder where that font file is saved. You're looking for the TrueType font file, which usually ends in TTIF. Once you find it, double-click the file. This will open the standard Windows Font Installer window. At the top left, click Install. That adds the font to your computer's main system font library, which is exactly where CapCut pulls from when it loads available fonts. Now here's the important part that many people miss. If CapCut is already open while you install the font, the new font usually will not appear right away. So after installing it, close CapCut completely. Don't just minimize it or leave the project open in the background. Fully exit the program, then relaunch CapCut from your desktop and reopen your editing project. This refreshes the app so it can detect the newly installed font from your system. Once your project is open again, click on the text block in the timeline to select it. After that, look to the top right Properties panel and make sure you're under the text section, then Basic. In the Font drop-down menu, click into the search box and type the name of the font you just installed. This can save time, especially if you have a lot of fonts on your PC. Under the System Fonts category, you should now see your newly installed font appear in the list. Click it once and your text will instantly update to that new style. That's all there is to it. If the font doesn't show up, the most common reason is that CapCut wasn't restarted after installation, so always check that first. With that done, you can start using custom typography to make your titles, captions, and on-screen text look much more polished and professional inside CapCut.